Hey, are you looking for new construction homes or looking to move to Northeast Florida? Well, today we're going to be looking at the Richmond American, the Palm floor plan. This is a 3 to 5 bedroom home, 2.5 to 3 bath home, two 3-car garage, and it is 2,100 square feet. Let's go take a look. All right, you'll notice this cute little patio on the entrance here. And then let's go look inside. Lovely entrance. Okay, so here you'll find the first bedroom. Excellent, nice French doors for the closet. And then here we have a full bath, which is really nice on the first floor. So here, as we walk through on the main floor, we have an inviting kitchen, which is flanked by a great room and a dining nook. Again, really nice cabinetry, the soft close, a nice added feature. The enclosed trash can, also a nice feature. There's also this hallway closet underneath the stairs, which is a nice added storage. So tiles throughout the first floor, except in the rooms, and then carpet up the second floor. So upon arriving, we'll have this nice versatile loft space. Over here, you'll have the laundry room, which is nice up here on the second floor, where the majority of the bedrooms are. And then let's go discover the rooms. So let's go all the way to the left. Look at this, it's like a little maze here. down the hallway to what is the owner suite. Double sink is key when you have a big family. His or hers sink as well. Great, let's go back downstairs and look outside. Two sliding doors to get outside to the patio. This one's an open patio, not enclosed lanai. If you liked this home or are interested in others like it, do not hesitate to send us a message. Our contact information is in the description box down below. I'm Carolina Ortega, along with my amazing husband, Emmanuel Ortega, would love to hear from you. Send us a message. See you on the next one.